This is our aluminum room. It's all enclosed, right? We have it open today, but this does a lot of aluminum, setup. We have to basically, we totally decorate. We have dedicated different things to it all. We kind of keep the cross-contamination if we have to. We have two different things. We have measuring systems, which we're going to show you. There's a computerized measuring system, which Mark will be over there. He'll show you guys alert. That's on that side. That's like part of the evaluation. And then we have ones that are wrecked, like this Model S, unfortunately, that we're doing what's called a jig setup. We're going to be replacing this panel. This is going to be, you can see the damage. So that right here and here got T-boned into the side. So that's going to be replaced. And this shows you the jig. And that's the number one thing. You're putting back a section of a car. You got to make sure that that car is going back properly. If that's wrong, those doors are not shut in, any way that could shut. So that's kind of about there. And then, our guys are Tesla trained. They know all about the welding. There's some welding, there's bonding, there's rivets, and Tony and a couple of Mark will be over here too. They'll bounce, they'll answer all those questions because there's a lot of those questions. And then that's just a body repair. I know we can just spin around, I'll stay here, but this car is just getting ready for body. It's kind of body structural. Body's a little less in this area. We basically take the panels off, get ready. You can see the hood on this one came back and of course caught the back. That's pretty common on a front hit. The way the hoods are tight, they come back and they crush that. Unfortunately, you can see the car's pretty much all dismantled. And then they do any dent or scratch work in the body department and line all the sheet metal up. So that's so body and structural kind of go hand in hand. That's kind of what happens with that. But again, the structural, and again, these guys will be here around to help you ask questions and stuff, okay? And then the big thing everybody probably wants to know about paint. So I'm gonna scoot over there and give you a paint overview.